Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are on the floor. So that only means one thing, a big box unboxing. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package. Not necessarily from WizKids because it's a consolidation, but as you can see, it's in a WizKids box because there's as many as a case in this particular consolidation. Okay, so this is a consolidation of 4 items, if I'm not mistaken. And I think this will be the last, a lot of last in this particular consolidation, and also a lot of first. Okay, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, stay tuned in this video. Okay. So it's been a while since I've done a big box unboxing, so it always gets me excited because that means more stuff to possibly trade, sell, and keep. Okay, and this just contains all of those, all of the above. Okay, so we can see here we have a plastic. Okay, we have a plastic and it contains a couple of figures. This one. Okay. So we have a bunch of plastic items. We have a paper. We have a paper. Okay. Okay. Okay, and this seems to be our first big loot. Also paper. So this I like how it's protected because they each have their own ziplock, and this is from Noble Knight. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get something here. Noble www.nobleknight.com. So this is one of the first. This is my first order from Noble Knight. Okay. I'm ordering there because unfortunately Troll and Toad is already closed, and at the same time Cool Stuff is also closing. So I have to find other sources online. Of course, eBay is there, but I heard about Noble Knight, so I had to try it. Okay. Most of this will be for my collection because I'm trying to collect all the X-Men figures in a sense in the history of Heroclix, X-Men related figures. And the only ones I really don't have are the latest and the oldest. Okay, so I'm happy to get a bunch of them from Noble Knight. So we have here, we're going to go through this quickly. Okay, Archangel number 42. Okay, we'll probably have another unboxing to look at them. And I have to double check whether the items I ordered match with the items that got here. Okay, because I don't know how good the quality control is for Noble Knight. I hope they don't. So we have here, I hope there's no discrepancy. We have the Nightcrawler Rookie. Okay. We have the Namor Bystander. Okay, I like this. I don't have this yet. Okay. We have Danny Moonstar Experience. Okay, what I can say immediately is that the condition is, as you can see, very pristine. Okay, and that's really good. So already on a good start for Noble Knight. I have here the Wasp. Okay, the Wasp. I've been looking for this for the longest time for a good price. Okay, we have Horsehair. Okay, we have Veteran Sunfire. Okay, it matches. We have Veteran Mystic. I already have this, the Experience and whatnot, but I want to collect all the REV. Okay, Shadowcat. So there's no broken pieces. We have Cannonball. Oh, this one, we have a Power Princess. So hopefully this gets Legacy in Thunderbolts. We have Veteran Dazzler. Okay, she's indeed veteran. She's old. She look old there. We have Experienced Storm. Okay. So we have Megan. Okay. Boom Boom. Meltdown. Okay. We have Major Christopher Summers. Okay, so this one, yeah, I like named characters like this, so I'm happy to finally get him. We have Colossus here, Rookie. We have Mano. For sure, I'll do a separate video for him. Now we're getting to the carded figures. Kingpin. I think this is from the Deadpool set. I want to also collect, if I can, some of the items in previous sets that are X-Men related, like Deadpool, Professor Xavier might be the legacy one in the what you call this, in the giant size X-Men iconics. Silver Samurai. This it's hard to get Silver Samurai for some reason, so I'm happy that I get him in a good condition. I'm going through it fast because we have a big box. Namorita. Okay. We have another Professor Xavier experience. We have Shadowcat experience. We have another Mystic experience. Okay. Again, I have to check my own. I have to check my cart whether these are the same items. Oh, James Howlett. Okay. Also hard to find, but finally have him. I think he's the last Wolverine I need for the old ones. Thank you for that. And Die Bomber. Yes. Okay. I've been getting. It's hard to find Die Bomber also. So this is the last brood I need. Okay. We have Sabertooth experience, and finally we have Boom Boom experience. So overall, quick impression. I think it's okay. I think it's there. Crossing fingers that we did not miss anything. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have here this one. Okay. So when they consolidate, I imagine they take it out from the original packaging and put them slam in onto one box. So that's why it's here. I don't know what's this one. Oh, this is from Lantern Legacy, and this should be from the cool stuff. Oh, this one more from Noble Knight. Shaman. Okay. Also hard to get by, and I'm happy it did not get crushed because it's easily destroyed, this scope. Okay, so we get a big. This is our. Who's this is from Wolverine, I think, in eBay. Okay, see, it's been a while since I consolidated because I always join the auction breaks, and sometimes I wait for the set to finish before I consolidate everything. So this is my hauls from Wolverine. Okay, so I see Kyle Rayner here, so most likely this is an eBay purchase. Let's see. I hope everything's here. Okay. Pop Culture Shop. Okay. Pop Culture. Thank you for your order. Please note, Possessor and Patron cards are available via the WizKids PNP webpage and were never included in boosters. Okay. Did I order Possessor? Not so sure. You can check them out, guys. Packed with Pride by Adrian. Thank you, Adrian. And sincerely, Julian Stam, owner. Our web store is open at popcultureshop.com. You can also check out their shop. But I think I got this in eBay. So we have here Kyle Rayner Blue. Okay, so I sold actually my Kyle Rayner lot. Okay, so I had to retrieve some of them. But unfortunately, the Kyle Rayner Indigo has been, I think, banned in silver. So I guess I can still use him in modern, but I wanted to use him in silver with his team up shenanigans. But nonetheless, it's here, Indigo Tribe. Kyle, we have the Violet Kyle. Okay. Then we have the Sinestro Core. I just realized I don't have a Sinestro Core recruit, so got her. Got one of her because I do have a yellow ring. And I also don't have a Green Lantern recruit. I just realized I sold all of them, so I got one for myself, just in case I would need a defend uh, enhancement. And for 15 points with a ring, she's really, really, really cost effective. And then we have the Kyle Rayner. Okay. So I don't collect a lot of DCs, but I see a lot of a good potential, a huge potential for the Kyle Rayners. And again, the other ones are just a filler for the order. Okay, so thank you for that. Pop Culture Shop. Okay, I think that's Wolverine, but anyway, it is what it is. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is, as you can see here, now this one is from Cool Stuff. Okay, so we had our first order from Noble Knight. I think also first order from Pop Culture. Now this is our last order from Cool Stuff. Okay, not necessarily the last, but it's the last time that they, I hope it's not the last time, but as of making this video, they are no longer selling Heroclix singles. Okay, a bit unfortunate because I always use Cool Stuff as a reference point, and at the same time, some of the items I get from Cool Stuff. So, but before they did take down the Heroclix, they had a huge sale. So I tried to grab as many of the things I need. Okay, and they are the following. Okay, so we have here the power battery, Indigo. Okay, so I actually don't have a power battery because I traded the green one. Okay, but so I wanted to get one. I'm happy because it's Indigo. I don't know if I have a legacy of the Indigo. Is it also here? Ah, there you go. Power battery Indigo is also here. So at least I can probably like trade this for a green one or whatever. If not, I can keep it because Indigo should grant Indigo Ring should grant like support, okay, which is really needed if you want to do the Kyle Indigo team up. Okay, let's take out all the figures. Okay, so things that Loki. Okay, so this is going to Heinz. Heinz, shout out to you. Heinz is a Loki collector, and this is the Hammer of Thor Loki for Heinz. Okay, I'm trying to help him collect his Loki. Okay, Cyclops team up. This is one of the last two team up that I need for House of X. Okay, Cyclops. Glad to have him for sure. Shuri, I just realized I don't have a Shuri, although she is retiring soon. She is also, of course, very very viable in Silver Age. So Shuri, sorry for not keeping you. So now I got you back. Okay. We have Primus. Okay, and I don't have a lot of Smash and Destroy yet. I did have this figure before, but I sold it. So now I have to get him back because he has potential for Brute. I'm just seeing now how awesome that power is. I'm just curious. Look at the sculpt. The picture is the same as the sculpt, size wise. Okay, so Primus, glad to have him back. We have Bebop and Rocksteady. These two, uh, I don't particularly need, but when I was browsing around for things to buy, they were kind of cheap. I think less than $1. So Rocksteady Bebop, human version. So quite interesting. So we'll probably have a separate video for this. And then this one is for, yeah, this is for Silver Age. Superman JLU 018. The 10-point line, of course, what I'm talking about. Okay. For 10.718, 11 4 damage with close combat expert, of course, and toughness. Yeah, and a trait. Okay. 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 So Superman uh, for, I guess, for keeps. I can probably sell it also. We have the mass. Okay, from Batman Team Up. I'm trying to collect all the chibi characters and I don't have the mask. I actually have the mask, but I don't have the card, so I want to have the card, of course. From the chibi also, we have Batgirl. I also have the character, but not the card. So I got it. And the Flash. Kid Flash. I think I also have the figure, but not the card. Okay, I'm a bit bothered by this. Okay, there's a glue on his face. Can you see it? There you go. Kid Flash. Okay, and then we have Hal Jordan, green. Okay, so of course, very meta. I already have this, but this would probably be for sell or trade. Hal Jordan Uncommon. And the red Kyle Rayner. Okay, just to complete all the Kyle Rayners that we want. We have 5 only because this one is strong for poison. Okay, so that's it for the first orders and the last orders. I'll probably cut the video at this point because I don't want it to be too long a video. The next video will be a quick preview. We're going to look at our oxit holes. Okay, are you ready? Look out for it. Let's go. Bye bye.